Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to give you an update on Crypto.com CRO as well as talk about Bitcoin and the overall crypto market. How will the rate hikes affect CRO? That's what I really want to talk about today. But without further ado, we are 10,600 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away a loaded line NFT. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, as of right now, barely above $29,000 on Bitcoin. That is a-okay though, as long as we're above 28,200. That's kind of our safe space, the safe range between 28K and 32K, 32,700 to be precise. We're in a safe channel as long as we're pinging around there. I do want to talk about how the rate hikes, how will it affect CRO and Bitcoin? As of right now, the past few rate hikes have had a nominal effect on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is the tide that raises all the boats. I do think that these rate hikes are somewhat priced in at this point. I do think that people are getting a little bit more comfortable and getting their bearings straight on where we're headed here with the overall market. The S&P 500 is getting relief. I do think that it is expected that they're going to raise the rate hike by 0.5 basis rate points. I do believe that that's what they're going to do. If not, it'll be a 0.25. However, people are confident that we are going to have a rate hike, and they have announced that there should be one more. I do not think it will capitulate the price of Bitcoin. However, I do think that it's possible that it grinds us out a little bit more, as there's a little bit of uncertainty to basically sift through as time goes on. But that uncertainty will always come around, and people feel more comfortable to put their money back into risk-on assets, especially if the S&P 500 is doing so well right now. The S&P 500 is starting to make its way back to previous all-time highs. Since the first rate hike, all of the losses have been regained on the S&P 500, which to me states that a lot of the investors with their money on the sidelines are feeling a lot more safe about deploying capital into the market, which is very, very bullish for crypto. So what does that mean for CRO? I do think that if Bitcoin comes down and rolls on to this $28,200 price level, that CRO probably will do something similar, and we will probably come down and test this 5.5 cent level, which we've been talking about for a while. We've tested a couple times back here, but I do think that something like that will play out if the rate hike basically pushes the price down. But, it's not all about rate hikes. It's a lot about what Fed Chairman Jerome Powell says. His verbiage is almost more important than the decision that is made as a whole. It's quite funny how that works, but if he's very, very hawkish, then we'll probably come down. If he's very, very dovish and saying, oh, we've got everything under control now, but we need to raise the rates one more time, we'll probably keep him here for a while, but everything looks good, then you're going to see a big move to the upside. It's as simple as that. It's very, very interesting how the decision doesn't mean anything. We're in a very, very emotional market. We have been more so than ever in the past 5 to 10 years, as more and more players have entered the investing space, if you will. But in my overall opinion, I'm not necessarily worried about another rate hike here. However, I am worried about if we capitulate down and test this level right here at the 5 cent level. However, I don't think that's the end of the world with CRO, because I do think that that's possible, especially as Bitcoin starts to get closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving and starts to steal the show, whether that's a quick move to the upside and liquidity gets pulled out of the altcoins, or if that is a little move down to here, say around the $26,000 or $25,300 price level, then we'll probably see a capitulation on CRO. But guys, time is on our side. If you're accumulating right now into the coins you believe in, you're going to be rewarded significantly. This is a somewhat of a ghost town in the crypto space, and that is the best time to buy. I was around in 2015, 2016, and when we had the lows from the 2017 bull market, I was buying and I was rewarded heavily for it. Keep that in mind, guys. It's not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. I put my money where my mouth is. If you stuck around this far, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. It helps us out a lot. Also, consider becoming a member on the channel. We have awesome giveaways for our members. When we reach 100 members, we are giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin each month to our members for the next 10 months until we reach the Bitcoin halving, guys. Super excited about that. Please like this video, subscribe. That's all I got for you. Bye.